All right, Wayne. So right now we're at the studio, the office of your detail supply store.
Yes, sir.
What's going on today?
Right now, it just randomly started raining. So if you guys don't know, I actually got a shop now. It's about 15 minutes away from this shop, so it's gonna be a detail shop. It's to prepare me for wintertime. So as I said before, it started raining on the way to the detail, and I texted the customer and I said, hey, we could wait till it clears up. He comes outside and he's like, man, I didn't check the forecast. And it convicted me, and I was like, man, I wasn't thinking to even check the forecast. It's been hot. And he was just like, maybe another day. And I was like, I'll pull to the side and wait 15, 20 minutes. And he was like, hey, if it clears up within an hour, just come back. I'm just thankful that I got a shop, because I told him if he wants to bring it, it felt good to say that, like bring your car to the shop. He wasn't looking to do that. But other than that, we're just here posted at the shop, shooting content for you guys. I'm here on the computer, working on some work, and gonna make some edits to my website and check my checklist on some of the things I need to do in the meantime. But other than that, I got about 4 details. I have no idea how that's gonna go. The fact that it's gonna rain today and actually tomorrow. So I may just be doing interiors, or some stuff may be getting rescheduled. So hopefully it clears up and I can get out there and work. But I'm not excited about this winter.
So I was gonna bring that up.
Yeah.
Last winter, how did it go for you? After 2 years in the game.
I mean, it was slow and steady, Rez. 2 days off, 3 days on. Some people don't care about the rain. Hey, I have cover. Figure it out. Where you at? You know what I mean? Hey, it'd be pouring. They'd be like, where you at? Like, I don't care if it's raining. Like, I'll write them and say, hey, due to the rain, we won't make it. And then sometimes they ignore the message, don't answer the call. And then when that time comes, they're just like, where you at? It's crazy, you know? But now that I got the shop, I'm gonna really be pushing and advertising the shop. So I'm excited to see how that's gonna go. But I have to build my clientele for shampoos and ceramic coatings, and I'm gonna be hiring some people for the shop. I wanna hire a marketing team. So you guys are gonna be able to see a different side of the business, as in me hiring different set of people versus just hiring people out in the field to work. So I want to hire somebody that's going to be doing my branding, and also Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and stuff like that. But I'm going to be teaming up. This is a little bit different. I'm going to be teaming up with Jay and William, which is his name. You guys probably seen him, his Glory Mobile Detailing. And we're going to be splitting, paying the team. So all the funds are not going to be on me, because that's a lot to be going out. So we're all, as detailers, coming together and paying for people to come actually in the shop. Like, I'm sitting down right here, and they're gonna be working part-time, full-time on working on our businesses. So we're gonna see how this goes, and you guys may get some ideas in the process.
Now, that's something you're doing with the
Right.
shop as well, where you're splitting the rent.
Yeah, also the team that I had before in the shop, Aiden and Alma, which is their names, we were actually paying for the last shop that I came from, that we had to leave due to the fact that the lady that couldn't take care of her half of the rent. So just because that happened, I seen that the team that was there, we were able to hold our own for that whole year. We actually teamed up together to get another shop. So it's the same team from the last shop. We've already got each other's vibe. We're all believers in Christ. We're all clean up after each other. We didn't have not one problem. Our only problem was the lady that didn't take care of her rent. We're gonna see how it goes and just hope for the best, really. And we're gonna work together as a team to help promote each other. And, you know, I know a lot of people in the comments are gonna be like, hey, that didn't work last time, what are you doing again? I'm the type of person that just because something didn't work, I'm not gonna stop trying to see if it'll work. You know what I mean? So that's just me.
Got it. And last question is, what's something that does not work for detailers during the winter? Like, for example, more advertising. Would that be counterproductive because, you know, winter is raining, people are on a budget for Christmas? Should you just tough it out? Should you find another source of income? What would you tell somebody?
Well, posting ads, whoever is posting them has to post them according to to the times, like rainy day discounts or shampoo interiors or ceramic coating for the rain. So however you're advertising, you got to promote that so it pops in their head like, okay, it's raining, but they have a shop, could drop it off. These are things that you should think about before winter even hits. Like, so now's the time right now to start thinking about, okay, am I gonna go out and do DoorDash or any of the platforms to make money? Am I gonna get a part-time job while I'm doing this? So you gotta know your company, your strategy. Now's the time to think about that. And for me, I'm just gonna be posting ads, teaming up with other detailers. We're all gonna be feeding each other, hiring people for the marketing, the branding, and splitting it amongst the detailers. What else am I gonna be doing? Let's see. Focusing on the shop. This is gonna be my first winter for the shop with the supply store. So I was like, do I stay open while it's raining, or, you know what I mean? But that's just like any other store. Is Walmart gonna shut down? No, it's raining. People still wanna come in. People are still motivated even while it's raining, like I need to go buy this and that. I'm just gonna take advantage of the time to work on the things that I needed to work on, you know? But them bills don't stop coming in. So we gotta figure it out. Let me know in the comments down below. Any ideas that you guys have, drop it down in the comments and let me know. Any ideas for all of us to work together as a team to figure it out. All right, that's a wrap for this video. Me and Reyes are gonna brainstorm about some of the videos, some ideas about wintertime. Whatever you guys wanna see next, drop it down in the comments. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.